we live? Are we live? Are we kicking? Oh my gosh. Look at XRP. Excuse me. Hey. My gosh. What's up with XRP? 300%, or sorry, 400% on the month. Congratulations to the XRP Moon Boys. So it's about a 2x to 300 billion, which is going to put the price around $5.40, which is pretty, you know, reasonable. Pretty reasonable. Let's see. We do have a couple of subscriber coins that we have to look at, obviously. We have to look at those. We need to update Helium Mobile. There's a couple people that said they lost a lot of money in it, but it's like, you're not really supposed to buy the pumps, right? Like, whoever bought this pump just got absolutely wrecked, and you're not supposed to do that. But it is what it is. I gotta do comp and XYO. Oh, hold on. Thank you. You too. Yeah, we gotta look at comp XYO, higher time frame, and then we should be good. All right, let's take a chat, or let's look at the chat. Wow, the chat is pretty much dead. Oh, we only got one. What's up, Carla? How are you? Good, good. How are you? Did you get a haircut? Yeah, I cleaned up the sides. So, I did get a haircut. Thank you for noticing. What's up, Matthew Dropco? How are you? I hope we're making money. Are we rich yet? That's a good question. No, we are not. We are not rich yet, so it's okay, though. It's all good. So I guess let me start with making my videos, since, you know, it's pretty dead right now. I think Bitcoin's dropping, obviously, right? Yeah, Bitcoin's breaking down. OXC is doing pretty good, but for the most part, let's take a look at Helium, and then we can take a look at XYO and comp. And then it's going to be relatively a short stream, probably like an hour and a half if we get a lot more people in here requesting coins. And then, yeah, we'll take it from there. Taking a look at Helium Mobile on the live stream. So, like we mentioned before, this coin needed to stay over its 382. So from the high to the low, you can see we actually are now below the 382 at 2014. The thing is, we actually had a 618 retracement all the way to 2026, and we got rejected. So usually, this is very bearish because we had such a big sell-off. I mean, the sell-off was around 47% on its own, and we are sitting under the 382 right now. So still on the macro time frame, nothing's bullish until we break the 382, and then bearish under 201. So for whatever case, for whatever reason, if we do fall below this area, then we'd be validating this macro downtrend that we're in, and we'd be headed back down to bearish territory, which is 201. However, as of right now, we don't have to worry about that because hopefully we get back up over 2014 and we move forward with this continuation up. Otherwise, again, 201 needs to hold. Otherwise, we are bearish. That's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yeah, there are a couple people that commented like, "Oh, I lost like, you know." Yeah, so there are a couple of people that commented on my on my videos, and they're like, hey, like, we bought the top on Helium or I'm down 3,000 to 4,000. I'm like, dang, like, you're never supposed to buy when the RSI is in the green. And look, the RSI was literally as green as it's ever been. This is the highest it's ever been, actually. Look on the RSI. It's literally the highest it's ever been, so that's not good. You really don't want to buy that. You want to sell this. You don't want to buy it. But that's pretty much it. What's up, Shadow Frost? Damn, I'm still poor. Yeah, so am I. It's okay, we just have to wait our turn. What are you doing for Christmas? That's a very good question. Let's see. XYO, that's right. I'm going to do XYO and comp. Taking a look at XYO on the live stream. So it looks like XYO is having a nice move up. However, is it going to be bullish? That is a very good question. Let's see. So XYO from the high to the low. We are actually over the 382. You can see we blasted over and we are over the 0.5 right now. So XYO is very bullish. As of right now, the next target you're looking at is a 618, 2 cents 26. Once that breaks, you are looking at the 786 at around 4 cents. And then you're looking at 8 cents. And then from there, XYO to the moon, you're looking at up to 67 cents. However, just keep in mind, the 618, it needs to break over the 618 because some coins, they do come up and they do tag the 618 and then they're bearish for another bear market. I'm not trying to scare you, but I'm just trying to say, hey, be careful at 2 cents 26. But it shouldn't really matter if you've been accumulating down here anyway, because you're still up around 300% on your investment if you were accumulating during the bear market. So, and if not, just be careful. You're really gambling for, you're really gambling for 150% and then 4x from the current price. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. What's up, Yikes? How are you? Tried to send a super chat for Cocky New. Oh, thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. So let's take a look. Thank you for the 2 beans. I like saying that, for the 2 beans. Let's. We actually have a chart for this. So let's take a look at this. It is on AVAX. We have a chart for it. Yeah. So very simple, actually, with this coin. You can see we had resistance at 5.015 to 5.020. We said that once this breaks, the target is 5.064 at the previous high, and from there you're looking at 4.02. You can clearly see we actually came up, tagged the high end of the channel, got rejected. We bounced from the 236, and then we blew up. We retested the 382 as support, and now we got a nice little bounce. So my theory is that, like, basically we double topped and now we're about to get a blow off top, and it looks like a 5.064 is in play. And then from there you're looking at up to 4.02. Keep in mind that is currently a 147% to a 700% pump. Again, that will put the market cap around 400 million to like 1.4 billion. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Cock Inu. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Very simple. We don't need to rechart anything because because we not only held the lows, but we actually broke resistance and we're making our way back up to the previous high. This is obviously a gamble coin because it is, it is a meme coin, and I think this is the first meme coin for AVAX, so for Avalanche. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. Oh man, Dojo Lawn Mars. Hey friend, I've asked about Sandbox, various YouTubers, and the general consensus is that it will be a pullback at $1.35. When we look at XRP, it sliced to the previous all-time highs. Can Sand do the same? Yeah, so Sand can do the same, but let's look at this. Oh wow, what a perfect cup. Look at that. Bam, bam. Oh, this thing is about to blow off top. Hey, this kind of looks like OXT. Look, OXT is also doing the same thing. You see that? Where it's like it formed a cup and now it looks like it's trying to blow up out of here. All right, so let's take a look at Sandbox. And you're going to the wrong YouTubers. You should only go to me because I am the best. I'm just joking. I'm totally just joking. Yeah. So, what did they say? Consensus there will be a pullback. Well, that's the thing. The pullback. I don't know if there's going to be a pullback, but you should know as the person who has, Sandbox. We have resistance at $1.35. So we're probably seeing that, saying like, hey, there's always going to be a pullback. Like for example, every single time we've tagged, the 382. The last twice we've had a pullback. This time, unfortunately, we went bearish. This time we did get a nice little bounce, and now we're trying to get bullish. First and foremost, until we break over 87 cents, unfortunately, Sandbox is not macro bullish. Once we break that, you're looking at $1.35 resistance. If that blows through, then you're looking at 208, 389, 860, and then from there, you know, to the moon, up to 84. We don't know how high it can go. That's if it breaks its all-time high. It'll go into price discovery mode, and from there, your guess is better than any person's. So you just have to sell whenever you want. But yeah, so very simple for Sandbox. As long as it's under 87 cents, it is not macro bullish. But once we break that area, then we are looking at $1.35 is in play. And that's probably what you're seeing. Now, did XRP do the same thing? I don't know. I think XRP just flew up on out of here, but no. We did get a pullback, actually, right? Let me see. Yeah, we did get a pullback. No, but we got a pullback at the 786. Yeah, so for XRP, we got a pullback at the 786. You can see, oh, we didn't even get a pullback at the 786. We blew past the 786, came back and retested that as support, and then we blew up on out of here. Did we get a... Yeah, we didn't really get a pullback at the 0.5. We didn't get over it, and then once we got over it, we literally just flew. So, yeah, XRP, like I said, up to 640 is in play right now. From there, I have no idea. Helium Mobile, should I hold or should I sell? It's completely up to you. It depends. Are you up right now? So Helium Mobile, I just made a video, but I hope you're in the green and I hope you didn't buy the pump. Good evening, Meow and chat. What's up, summertime? Summertime. 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 What's up, Jaboni? What's up, man? How are you? How are you, Gearhead? Deejberry, yo, will you look at Spell? Looks like it's going to pump soon. Yeah, is it over 3 zeros 95? Yeah, it is. So, like I said before, I don't even have to look at it. 2 zeros 18 is in play as long as 3 zeros 95 is in 3 zeros 95 holds. 2 zeros 18 is in play, and that is the 382 from the high from the high to the low. Once 2 zeros 18 breaks, then you are looking at the 0.5, 618, 786, and so on. Very simple. First and foremost, we do have to break 2 zeros 18, which is in play. From there, when it does, then we can look at it again. But very bullish right now because it is. Sorry, it's not bearish right now because it's not under 3 zeros 95. So it does look like she's ready to go. So all you got to do is just hang tight. That's what I'm saying. There was no pullback for XRP, so it's possible. Yeah, I mean, they're different coins. Like some coins, they go like a 10,000% with no pullback. You know, I wouldn't necessarily, you know, compare it just on that. But it is, you know, if you're asking if it's possible, then absolutely. I mean, you could even draw a huge candle back up to, you know, the all-time high with no pullback. So, yeah. Do you think Quant can hit $200 in December? Wow, thank you so much for the 3 beans. I really appreciate that. Let's see. $200? Where did you get that number? Okay, if I had Quant, where would I get $200? That's a good question. So from the high to the low. I mean, how long did it take to get to the 0.5? You're looking at November 16th to December 2nd. That's 2 weeks. Yeah, that's 2 weeks. Okay, so, you know, given 2 weeks pullback, 2 weeks, I mean, I say 174 is in play. So right now, right now the 0.5 is in play, and clearly I think we're actually at 131.50. Yeah, so we're like literally at the 0.5 right now. So one of two things can happen. One, you could pull an XRP and just blast right through the 618. Two, you could get a pullback at the 0.5, which actually you can see we got at the 382. We got a little pullback, and then we blew up out, and then once we blew out, we lagged up, and we're hitting the 0.5. So we could either get a pullback, which will probably be like 2 weeks, of consolidation and retracement. And then I'd say 174 is in play. So if you're asking, can it hit? Yeah, I think it can. I mean, I think it could blast through the 618. But will it? I have no idea. But there's some hopium. Also, some hopium for you is as long as it stays over $100, it's macro bullish. So, like, you don't even need to look at your phone. You should just probably, like, put in your sell targets or whatever, at whatever point you feel comfortable in selling. Because as long as it's over $99, then this thing's about to have its run. And then, it's going to peak, and from there, bear market, and we're going to go to zero, basically. So you have to make sure you get out. But that's pretty much it for quants. Very good coin. It's a expensive coin, very big market cap. This is one of the blue chip coins. So, it's a little bit too rich for me to buy. But I do believe that this coin's going to do extremely well this bull run. So I hope it works out for you. Bull run is over, meow, packing his boxes. Yeah, dude, I'm out. I'm moving on Wednesday, so everything's boxed up for the most part, and I'm moving. Hey, guess what? I got some stuff actually that I want to show you guys. So you know how you guys are always like, oh man, we can't hear you, blah blah blah. So check it out. I got a mic on Cyber Monday deal or whatever, Black Friday deal, and it's it's like one of those ones that light up. Man, I feel old. RGB. Yeah, there we go. So I got a mic, which is pretty cool. And then I got streaming lights. So, you can't even see it. Damn. I'm looking at the video right now. You can't even see it. But anyway, I got streaming lights. So that's going to be pretty good because there we go. Yeah, so it was like $60, but I got it for like $30 or something. And then I'm gonna get a backdrop, like a green screen. So I'm gonna I'm also getting a chair, but I didn't get a chair yet because there's no point in getting a chair before I move. So yeah, upgrading the YouTube channel kind of deal. So it's gonna be nice to move and then have the mic, have everything. Setting up everything and yeah, so it's gonna be pretty cool. But yeah, so no more talking on my mic that is connected to my webcam. So yeah. Hey meow, have you looked at PNG Moonwell or Trouble? No, but I'll take a look at that for you. Hi mate, have you heard of Tom In? No, or Tommy? No, I haven't, but I could take a look at for you. You're welcome, Summertime. Thank you so much for the 3 beans. That's a really nice mic. Cry Ink's in the house. Oh my gosh. This guy. What a Warhammer nerd. This guy, all he does is play Warhammer. If anybody else plays Warhammer, please drop the army that you play in the chat. Pepe and Pepe 2, you got it. OXC Millionaire splurges on tech equipment. No. Not even, man. I wish. If OXC needs to go to like $10, that would be pretty nice. I wouldn't even hold it that high. But I want to rotate. I really want to rotate into Doge on Mars, actually. That's my rotation plan. It would be Doge on Mars. And Doge on Mars is actually coming back down. So I am really tempted right now. So we'll see. So PNG, Moonwell. PNG, is it over 40 cents? Okay, yeah, so PNG, unfortunately, is still, it legged up, but it's consolidating. It needs to stay over 30 cents. As long as it stays over 30 cents, I'd say that 80 cents is in play and $1.34 is in play. So very simple for PNG. It needs to stay over 30 cents, right? Yeah, so 30 cents absolutely needs to stay over 30 cents. And then you're looking at 80 cents to, I'm using that. Yeah, so $1.34. So very simple. And then once that breaks, you know, PNG to the moon. Taking a look at Moonwell. Moonwell had a big retracement. Taking a look at Moonwell, it's actually doing like good, relatively speaking, right? Yeah, so very bullish over the 785 right now, 786. So you're looking at 28 cents that is actually in play right now, and then I think we're actually over the 236, right? Yeah, so very bullish. We didn't quite come down to 440, but we did get a nice little bounce from the 786. So very bullish over 6 cents 30. I'd say previous high for a double top, and then from there all-time highs up to 28 cents. It needs to stay over. It absolutely needs to stay over 4 cents 40 though. If it doesn't, then that was the top, and that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And then Turbo, I have a map or chart drawn out for Turbo. So taking a look at Turbo. Yeah, so with Turbo, look, we came all the way back up to resistance and then we got rejected. So at any point, if we fall below 207, then I would say that this was the top, and we are going to get a bigger capitulation down to 2058. It also looks like we're in a nasty downtrend right now. So as of right now, yeah, it's still not bullish because we need to break 208 to 209. If 207 breaks and we start going below that, I need to actually redraw this because we're no longer macro bullish. A very important area that needs to hold. We can't keep making lower lows. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And just my opinion for Turbo. Pepe. Oh wait, no, I gotta look at Pepe 2.0. Hey, what happened with Gummy? Yeah, so Pepe 2.0, you can see where literally we tried to break through resistance twice and we got rejected. But the good thing is, like we said last time, as long as we're consolidating in resistance, then you should be fine because we are still over 7034. So I'd say over 7034. You know, it's still over the 236, 382, which is 7. No, so bearish under 7034, which we're clearly not. So we're not bearish, we're consolidating, and then you're looking at 7043. Once that breaks, I'd say Pepe 2.0 to the moon. Damn. Let me get some water. Okay, so I did XYO. Oh, I gotta do comp. That's right, I gotta make a video on comp, and then we could make a video on Doge on Mars. If you ain't got no Doge on Mars. Thank you. Taking a look at compound for the subscriber who asked for it. So on the macro time frame, we are unfortunately not over the 382. So I'd say no bull market, no bull run until we break 382 at around $93.54, and then bearish under 54.63. Keep in mind, once we break 93.54, you're looking at 144, 223, 414, previous all-time high, and from there you're looking at 911 to 8883, so $8,883.61. You are going to price discovery mode if the previous high does break, and then it's going to land anywhere between the previous high and that target. How high it's going to go, I don't know. It could top at 1200, 1300, 1400. Your guess is better than mine. So none of this is financial advice. It's all just my opinion. So hopefully we break over $93, and then we can start moving up, and the next target after that is $144. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yeah, so Cortez. So there's nothing has changed with PNG. We need to stay over 30 cents. As of right now, as long as it stays over 30 cents, you are looking at the next areas in terms of, I guess I'll look at it for you, but everyone's going to come in here and ask for PNG. Yeah, so as long as we stay over 30 cents, you are looking at 47 cents and $1.33. So very simple. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You want Pepe, normal Pepe. Ugh, I missed the train on this. Wow, Pepe really had a big, I mean, it wasn't even that big actually, so. Yeah, look at this monster run. Wow. That is just beautiful. Up 20x. Wow. Yeah, so for Pepe, you know, the 1618 still in play at 4033. And it's actually staying over the previous highs at 17. So as long as it consolidates over this level, I'd say 4033 is in play. And I think that also does coincide with 236, right? So from this to the high, I mean, I guess technically the 382. Yeah, 4016, 4017. So as long as it stays over 4017, 4016, then it's still macro bullish. And yeah, that's pretty much it for Pepe. Thanks so much for stopping by, Rory's Army. I appreciate it. Yeah, the market's not doing so well right now, obviously. I mean, you know, Bitcoin looks like it's about to fall off the table. OXT is going down. Doge on Mars, I mean, I don't mind rotating my my profits from OXT into Doge on Mars. So honestly, at this point, I'm like, let it go down, regardless on the position that I have right now. It's redundant because if it goes down, I'm buying more. It's a no-brainer in my opinion. But I'm kind of bummed that OXT was about to have its run and then it got smacked back down. So it's okay though. I'm just hoping that I get out of it eventually. I'd love a look at SwiftCoin and VeChain. I haven't looked at VeChain in ever. So taking a look at VeChain. Yeah, VeChain's bullish, macro bullish. Yeah, congratulations. So yeah, VeChain's bullish right now. So 6 cents is resistance. Once we break 6 cents, you're looking at 8 cents 60, 14 cents, and 28 cents. As long as we stay over 4 cents, then this is macro bullish, and pretty much it. Yeah, as long as we stay over 4 cents, which actually does coincide with the 3. Wait, does it coincide with it? Yeah, it does. So I'd say. Yeah, as long as it stays over, you know, 4 cents, 4 cents 40, then this isn't the. Then there's a continuation up, and this isn't this isn't the end for VeChain. So, if it falls below, then I'd say this was a local top, unfortunately, and we're going to go back down. And that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And yeah, the next targets for VeChain is going to be the 0.5, the 618. 8 cents 80, 14 cents 28 cents. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Flex for 3. Can you check targets on Beam and Cock Inu? Yes, I just checked Cock Inu, but I will definitely check it again. And we have a saved chart for Cock Inu. So let's take a look at Cock Inu first. So you are looking. Oops, this is the wrong one. Cock Inu on AVAX. So yeah, so like we said last time, this thing literally did this beautifully. So we came up, we smacked against the 382, we bounced from the 236, we broke out, we came back and retested the 382, and we double topped right now. Once this thing blows, I am looking at 5064 for a double top, and once that breaks, you're looking at price discovery and all-time highs up to 402. And for whatever reason, you know, if we break back down, bearish under 5015, and no bull run until we stay over and get over 5020. Very simple for Cock Inu. So far, so good. We're over the box, and our target is in play right now with this previous high. And then your other one was Beam, which is the, yeah, this one. Oh, Beam's doing pretty good, man. Hey, that's good for you. We've been talking about Beam for a while too, man. How long have we been talking about Beam? Because I swear, like, we were talking about Beam back here because we were in this downtrend, and then we were like, oh, it broke out. Maybe it'll come back down and retest it as support, and it did, and then now it consolidated and it's going to the moon. Is that like you've been here that long, right? Congratulations, dude. That's the way to like hold it. So from the high to the low. Yeah, so Beam's on its way to 3 cents, 4 cents, and then 11 cents. Very simple. It needs to stay over, honestly, it needs to stay over the 382. to be macro bullish. And then as long as I know this is a very big range, but 4 cents 40 is in play. And then just keep in mind, yeah, that won't be the local high unless we break down below this area. So far so good for Beam. 1 cent 72 cents needs to absolutely hold with any sort of retracement, and then you're looking at 4 cents. If we do break below 17, then that would be the local top, and we are going to go back down. Very simple. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I hope that all made sense, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thoughts on Elon coin? You mean Dogelon Mars or Elon? Because Elon coin is actually, unfortunately, there's actually Elon coin, right? So there's actually this coin called Elon coin, and it's this $4 million market cap. Obviously, I would know because I looked at it, and I have Dogelon Mars. Yeah, this is a gamble coin. I don't recommend this, obviously. I don't like this coin because I like Dogelon Mars. So actual Elon coin, yeah. So you are talking about Elon coin. So you're not talking about Dogelon Mars. You're talking. Okay, well I think this coin's going to zero. Next. What do you thinking about Retardio? I'll take a look at that for you. Thank you, Meowman. XLM disappointing me. Well, you had like 2 years to buy. When did you buy? I feel like people who are leveraging crypto are the only winners right now. Tommy. Oh, sorry, Flynn. Flynn Ryder. Sorry, Flynn Ryder. Taking a look at Tommy. What is this coin? Oh my gosh, what is this coin? What are you gambling on right now? So, yeah, Elon coin going to zero, dude. No, I'm just joking. I can't really say that because I'm just joking. I can't say that, but if I knew you in real life and if you brought that to me, I'd be like, dude, just buy Dogelon Mars. Literally, it's a no-brainer. Like, actually, you could probably 2 to 3x your money in the next, like, 24 hours. I'm just joking. Don't actually buy that. Don't actually pump my bags. Just funny. Okay, Tommy. Taking a look at Tommy. What is this? This is crazy. Yeah, what is this, man? I hope you bought it at the lows and you gambled it, but this thing looks like it's going to zero, and it has like it's getting like some sort of dead cat bounce. Yeah, what is this, man? So this is literally down 99%. It just had a bounce, and the bounce was 200%. So first of all, you already know this is a gamble. So I'd say bearish under 4 cents. As long as we're under 4 cents, this thing's going to continue to drop. And if the floor breaks and we go lower, then we do have to obviously redraw the targets, because you would just take it down, and the 236 would change. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So really not much to say. Bearish under 4 cents, and then bullish over 11 cents. So there's no in between. Good luck, and I hope this gamble plays out for you. I mean, what's the market cap on this coin? Yeah, 3 million, fully diluted. I'd rather just buy Elon coin, because this coin is like 16 million diluted, fully diluted, 4 million in the market, so it's not even fully diluted. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Yeah, Jasmy's been bullish for the last like 9 months. So Jasmy was one of the few coins that actually like held the pump. It pumped and it actually held it, and it's actually over its 382, which means that when the market turns bullish, Jasmy is going to go flying out of here. So congratulations to the Jasmy holders, really. Like, look at this. Look at how beautiful this chart is. Like, dude, look at this. Literally, like, it's this. If this isn't like a bull flag forming right now, and we're about to get a blow off top, I don't know what is. Like, I'm calling it right now. That's what I think. So no financial advice, obviously, just my opinion, but like, this thing looks like so bullish. Hello, what do you think about SHIB? I think my coworker has it, and he's trying to quit if his SHIB goes to the moon. So I hope it doesn't. I'm just joking. I like SHIB. I actually the last bull run, I made a lot of my money on SHIB, so I like Shiba Inu. Yeah, so Shiba Inu is macro bullish right now. It literally looks like it's, yeah, I got stuck at the 618. So far so good. Next, once we break that, you're looking at 4 zeros 48 and then previous all-time high. I think SHIB can eat a zero. I think it could go to 3 zeros 5, and you're gonna get something like this, and then you're gonna get like 2 years of falling, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, Demon, I missed your chat. What's up, Meow? Any thoughts on Kronos app new update? No, I haven't seen it. What's up, Louis the Cool? How are you? When do you think Jasmine will have this blow off top? I have no idea. Your guess is better than mine. I actually don't know. We're in the same boat. Like, I don't have any information that you don't have. So, I really don't know. So let's take a look at Crow. No, he wanted to hold it to 1 penny. And I'm like, bro, like, what? And then he's like, oh, wait, what do you mean market cap? I'm like, oh, my God, like. I'm like, bro, like seriously, if it goes to 301, I would probably sell. And I think 301 is very possible. I think 409 to 301 for an all-time high is very possible. So that's what I think. Yeah, you want it Kronos, right? Yeah, so yeah, Kronos is about to also fly. Yeah, someone just replied, man, I was up 5.5k last night and I thought I could get more, so I decided to hold. Now I'm up by 1.2k only. Yeah, that helium mobile pump really, really messed up a lot of people. Yeah, so for Kronos, from the high to the low, we are over the 382, very bullish. Macro bullish, bull run has commenced for Kronos. 21 cents is in play, clearly we're getting stuck at resistance. Once that breaks, you're looking at 30 cents, 49 cents, previous all-time high. And from there, Kronos up to $6, very simple. And as long as it stays over the 382, it's still macro bullish at 15 cents. So that's pretty much it for Kronos. Crow with Knife. What's up, Eric? How are you? I might have skipped a couple of chats, but I'm getting a lot, and I'm getting member chats. So yeah, so I have to prioritize those, and also super chats. So Crow with Knife, yeah, it looks like so the box is resistance. Our last area of resistance is 7.037. So with Crow with Knife, if that breaks, we're going to come back down to the lows. And if it doesn't double bottom here and then reverse, then you're all looking at making a lower low, which will obviously validate this downtrend that we're in, right? This downtrend that we're forming. So not financial advice, just my opinion, but that looks to be the case for Crow with Knife. As long as we are consolidating in resistance, once 7.049 breaks, you are looking at retesting 7.096, 6.013, and then 6.039 is in play. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Tell your coworker. Oh yeah. I bought mobile at 0.003. Am I doing good? You're joking, right? No, you're joking, right? Like, that's a joke, right? No, I think Alo's trolling. I don't think he's serious. Nah, he's not serious. He's trolling. Oh, I was just gonna say Suku and Ducky. Yeah, taking a look at Ducky. So yeah, so Ducky is just consolidating right now. Again, as long as we stay over 506, you're looking at retesting resistance. Literally, it's just consolidating right now. So nothing has changed with Ducky. We have resistance at 4013 to 4016. Once that breaks, we're macro bullish. And as long as we are over 506, then we should be solid. If it breaks, then we're going to get a bigger capitulation down, and we're going to go back down to the lows, which this thing can't really do or afford to do because that's like a 60%. So that is going to knock you back down to like around a 1.2 $2 million market cap. So pretty much it. Not financial advice. No, I will get back to work, come back after the election. Basically. Yeah, you're joking. That's good. The sad thing is we won't know. Maybe he's embarrassed now to tell us. No, Allo never had. He never had mobile. Yeah, he never had mobile, so I think Allo has GST. So let's take a look at GST. GST is not looking bad. It is looking pretty good. And keep in mind, GST, this is literally a 500x backup. So you're like moonshot gambling right now. So, macro bearish under 4 cents 20. So we're still bearish, but keep in mind from the local high to the low. Right now we're over the 236. So we're actually not bearish in the shorter time frame. Once 2 cents 60 breaks, it should send us to 4 cents 20, and once that breaks, we're no longer bearish on the macro time frame. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Very simple, very simple for GST. And again, I really hope this thing goes back up for you. I mean, I hope you didn't buy at $10. Like, I hope oh my God, this coin came out on Coinbase, I'm gonna buy, right? And then 4 years later, you're down like 99%. So I hope that's not the case. Hey, my cat's ripping up the couch right now. Give me a second. Hey. Oh. Huh. Never mind. What? Okay. GST chart looks like the bottom of the hot dog water pot. Yeah, yeah, dude. Oh my gosh. Suku. Yeah, so Suku's not doing bad. Suku's also doing pretty good. Yeah, so Suku is from the high to low. Yeah, we're no longer bearish. So you're looking at 14 cents is in play for Suku. And bearish under 8 cents. So bullish over 14 and bearish under 8. Right now it's literally in a crucial area where it's going to decide whether it's going to blow up on out of here or if it's going to become bearish again. So very simple for Suku. No financial advice, just my opinion. Who is still selling Dogelon? Dogelon next stablecoin? Seriously, who is still selling? Wait, hold on. Am I gonna buy? I might even buy right now. I might log in and buy. No, I'm not gonna buy right now. I'm gonna buy 10 billion at 17. And the reason why is because of this. Look. And 10 billion isn't like, I'm not like degen aping like a whole bunch of money, right? It's like $1,700. So it's justifiable for me to do that. It's not like, oh man, I'm gonna throw all my money in at once. No. And that's why I say it's super important to dollar cost average down, but also have money to be able to get it while it's cheap. So yeah, this is personally, this is where I'm buying 10 more billion coins. 6017. And the reason why is because that's very crucial. Although we are bearish on the macro time frame right now, we are bearish on the macro time frame because we're under 24. This is short-term, a very important short-term crucial area that it needs to hold. It also does coincide with the moving average. So around 17 would be a good area to buy, in my opinion. So, yeah. Not financial advice. It looks to me like Swift and Jasmine are forming giant cup and handles on the yearly. Maybe. I mean, I don't really... Yeah, I mean, some patterns are very bullish, and I agree with that. But, it's really also simple to be like, hey, these are the next areas, and these are the next areas of resistance. and support. And then usually for the most part, if the structure is bullish, then it's gonna hit those targets anyway, right? So it's good to look at both. But yeah, they do. Swiftcoin's been beasting. Okay, Swiftcoin's been doing very, very, very well. Yeah, same with this. Like, like it literally looks like it wants to double top and then blast up on out of here. So, congratulations to Swiftcoin. You're looking at this previous high. What was it, like 8 or 7? And then you're looking at 2 cents. So Swiftcoin 2 cents is in play right now.
There's literally a cat standoff going on right now.
Hold on, give me 1 second. Wait, what?
We've been staring at each other for like 5 minutes.
What cats are they? Hey. Wait, whose cat is that?
I don't know.
Tails. Tails, come here.
No, this is a standoff.
Wait, but I don't want them to fight. Look, that looks like a feather.
This is the first time Tail moved his head.
Tails.
He hasn't moved his body in like 5 minutes.
Tails. I just don't want them to fight.
Look, he's trying to slowly run away. Do you see this? Do you see this?
Yeah, yeah.
This is crazy. He's moving so much.
I just hope. Hey.
This is I've never seen anything like this.
I hope they don't fight.
I've never seen he's literally moving in slow motion. You maybe gotta get back to the people.
No, it's just too intense. Hold on, guys.
What are you doing?
That looks like a feather.
It's a big ass bird. Yeah, this is stuck. You chose on snipe.
Maybe he wished that he was inside now.
Oh. Better watch your back, Tail. Go watch out. He's gonna sit down.
Hold on, you watch it, because I gotta. Let's see. Oh, did it run away?
The other one ran away. Tails is fine.
Oh my god, thank god. Okay. Alright, I'm back.
Oh,
I lost a lot of viewers. But it's okay. It was a cat stare down. Wait, is Tails okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
You gonna give him some treats?
He went away.
Oh. Damn, hopefully he's okay. Alright, let's see. I don't feel like alt season without E, or it's gonna be the last bull run intruders. Could you take could you take a quick look at PooCoin? PooCoin. After the cat stare down is settled. Yeah. Dude, like what? It's cause like yeah, let's take a look at. Sorry, that really distracted me. You want me to take a look at PooCoin? Like poop? Is it on ETH? I'm assuming it's on ETH or it's not on Sol, right? What is this? Market cap 7.2 mil. I think it's this coin, right? Because I actually have a graph drawn for this. Yeah, so as of right now, we are in resistance for Poo. So you're looking, as long as, so it's not bearish under 7017. Once it breaks below that, then you are bearish and you have to hold 7012. If you don't, you're going to 0. However, once we break 7023, you're looking at 6011, then 602. So very simple. As of today, that is around a 5x or 6x and then a 12x. And keep in mind that still puts the market cap under 100 million. So again, I'm assuming you know this. This is a very gamble coin. So I'm assuming you know it though. No, we have a like I don't know. There's a cat out there that we haven't seen, and we like this orange cat out there. We tried to adopt it actually, but our white one doesn't get along with it. But it looked like it was about to fight another cat, and I just wanted to make sure that he was going to be okay, because we don't, you know. What do you think about Mumu and Retardio? What's Mumu? Yeah, you got to tell me what chain it's on. Are you talking about Solana or Ethereum? Yeah, Sam L. I hope it works out for you. It is a huge gamble. I really hope. It works out for you. Let's see, Retardio. I'm assuming this is the right one. It's Retardio on Solana. Can you just confirm that? I leverage traded VeChain today and I'm up 400%. Hey, congratulations, man. That's a lot. That's a lot of money. But like what? Was it only $1? So you're up 400 bucks? I'm just joking. Wait, that wouldn't even be $400. That'll be $4. Well, I guess the joke's on me. I'm obviously just joking, but congratulations. That's awesome. I wish I got 400%. Look at Aerobud. Oh. Another gamble coin. Oh, this thing went absolutely parabolic, man. Wait, when did you buy this? Did we talk about this before this pump? Taking a look at Aerobud. Yeah, so you're looking, so at this point we could delete this. So yeah, hold on. Yeah, I'd say continuation as long as we stay over this box. If this box doesn't hold at around 1 cent to 170, 1 cent 70, then you're looking at this being the top, and we're going to go back down. As of right now, 32 cents is in play. Very simple. No financial advice, just my opinion. And congratulations. It was like $50 for the memes. I'll just hold till it's worth something. Maybe people will find it in my lifetime. Yeah, maybe. That's always possible. I mean, it's not bad. Like, it has good, I mean, it has okay liquidity, right? So, like, it has 1.1 million locked. I mean, is it like, it has 7.2 million market cap. Is it listed on anything? That's a good question. Yeah, it's on Uniswap. It's on Gate.io, Mexi. So, you know, it has potential. Yeah, it has potential. It's definitely a gamble, but it has potential. So, yeah. I gotta make Dojo on Mars content just in case, just before, like, I forget. And then let me just look at my phone, see. Oh, we're still breaking down. That's not good. Okay, that's fine. Taking a look at Dojo on Mars on the live stream. So, based on the graph that we've drawn out for a while now, unfortunately, nothing is bullish with Dojo on Mars because on the macro time frame, we are still under the 236. You can see the macro 236 puts you around 6.024. Keep in mind that as long as we stay over 6.017, we will get a continuation. We are still over the 200-day moving average, and that does put us in the range of 6.037 to 6.04. Once that breaks and once this area of resistance breaks, I do expect a bigger move up, which will put us at around the 786. Which we haven't been since December 2021 at 5.013, followed by the all-time high. And obviously, like I've said before, my target has never changed. I do think Dojo on Mars will hit around 4.02 this bull run. But if it doesn't, again, I don't know. It's literally just my opinion. So none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. This is just this is just for I'm like talking like I'm ending the live stream, but this is just for targets. So this does help you better understand areas that you should be accumulating, and then areas, crucial areas that you know that needs to hold, instead of always being glued to your phone. So okay, so 6017 holds. You're looking at consolidation over this level, which will put you at 3 zeros, 6 zeros 37, 6 zeros 4, and so on and so forth. So again, keep in mind we do look at the stock RSI and the RSI. So you really want to consolidate. Sorry, you really want to accumulate when the RSI is oversold, and then also if you are trading it, then theoretically you want to stay away from when the RSI is in the green, because that is overbought, and all the time we get some sort of sell-off. So you never really want to buy when the RSI is in the green. But again, that's just my opinion. Reminder, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Wow, I feel like I need to redo that, because that was like really bad. But whatever, honestly, it doesn't matter. Solana, yes. Solana, yes. What? Sol and SUI looking ripe for leverage entry. What's up? What's up, Nicholas? How are you? Pepe needs to reverse. And did you miss SHIB rally? What do you mean? Did I miss SHIB rally? Yeah, SHIB's doing very good. Damn, congratulations to everyone that bought like these dips, because that's crazy. That is very good. Man, we're really going down. Wow. Yeah, guys, this is what I'm talking about also, which is why I'm saying I think there's going to be a pullback, is because look at the RSI. Like, we were in the green for like a month, and obviously I think we're going to get some sort of pullback, which is probably going to put us around 76 to 84 grand before our final push up to between 140 and 170. So my targets still haven't changed. That's literally what I think is going to happen, but we'll see if it happens or not. Let's see. XRP and Milady coin price top prediction. Not the one. Thank you so much for the 2 beans. I really appreciate that. Yeah, so XRP's going to be the 1618 at around $6.50. I'll show you. And then Milady. Taking a look at Milady. This isn't the right one. Taking a look at Milady, so yeah, taking a look at Milady, so basically we're bearish because we're under 601. Once that breaks and once 608 108 breaks, then you are looking at 6014, which is the 382. Once that breaks, that is going to put you macro bullish, and 6042 is in play. Keep in mind, as of today, that is going to be around a 300% pump, which does put the market cap around 270 million. So theoretically, it could even go another 10x from there. As of right now, we will put it at around 5013, which would be around a 12x from the current price, which does put the market cap around $1 billion. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. XRP. Yeah, so XRP is going to be the 1618 like before. So it would be around $6.50. And keep in mind, this is literally putting the market cap at $300 billion. So I do think it is going to land somewhere around here. But that's my opinion. Thank you so much for the 2. I really appreciate that. Noor Breezy, good morning from Dubai. Can you check ALCX? only if you give me like a Lambo, because everybody in Dubai is rich, right? So I want a Lambo. I want I mean, what else is there to do? See, like that's how you know, like you're dealing with like, you know, um, someone that's holding like, you know, such little bit of cryptocurrency. But yeah, I'll check it for you. Noor Breezy. Okay, Light Breezy. Let's go. Let's take a look at AL. I remember this coin on when it was first listed on Gemini. I actually really liked it, but they like rugged everyone, so it's not good. Yeah, so for ALCX, Alchemix, nothing's bullish with Alchemix on the macro target until we break $25. So bearish under $25 and then bull run once we break $45. Keep in mind that as of right now, it is a 23x back up to its all-time high. And let's see. So it's a 23x back up to its all-time high. And then has it ever been, you know, that market cap? So the highest market cap that it's ever been was 470 million. So what that tells me is that they did release coins, and a 23x from the current price at $22 is going to put the market cap around $440. Sorry, is going to put the market cap around $1 billion. So you can see that, you know, the price here was $400, but the market cap was only 300 million. So that is going to make not only an all-time high, but also it's going to make an all-time high on the market cap. So just take that into consideration too. It does look like it's fully diluted now, so you don't really have to worry about it releasing any more coins. And I wouldn't really be concerned about it either, because it's relatively a low total and circulating supply. So it only has 2.5 million coins, but still it is something to consider when you're trying to look at price predictions. Because like, for example, if I were to look at this and if I knew that there was dilution, I would probably, you know, put my target at the 786 for a 10x, right? So a 10x would put it at 500 million, which would put it at $220, which would still make a higher high on the market cap. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But again, it's crypto, so anything can happen. I'm not saying that's what you should do. I'm just saying bearish under $25, bullish over 45, then you got 73, 118, 231, 544, and then, you know, Alchemix up to $6,400. And with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Thank you so much for asking, and I hope you enjoyed that. What's up, Jared? Degen, you got it. Algo, anyone? What's up, Rayhan? I just finished my work and joined late 2 a.m. here in UK. Dang, I need to do. Well, see, the problem is during the weekday I work, so I can't live stream before 5 p.m. my time. So it needs to be 5 p.m. my time. So thank you for coming. I really appreciate that. And yeah, so Retardio on Solana. We got an answer. Yeah, you guys gotta give me the chain. Why does it sound like smoke? Hold on, give me a second. Like, look, it's like my. Hold on, is my computer like on fire? Give me a second. Oh, you do? Okay. No, it smells like full on smoke. Okay, whatever. Yeah, so not the one. If Milady gets listed on Binance, I think it could easily go over 1 billion. LCX, okay. Okay, let's take a look at Retardio on Solana. So huge gamble play, obviously, as of right now. You're looking at 45 cents being in play. And then in terms of areas that it absolutely needs to stay over, I'd say, Yeah, so I'd say it's literally at the area that it needs to absolutely stay over. So 10 cents, it needs to stay over 10 cents. Otherwise, I would say this is the local top, and we are going to come back down. At that point, if the 382 doesn't hold, I'd say 786, 618 needs to absolutely hold. So very, very, very bullish over 10 cents, but bearish under 4 cents 20. So if it comes back down and you know, we're still making the higher high and we're maintaining this uptrend, then 46 cents is in play. So yeah, there you go. That's what I think about this coin. Yeah, Rayhan, let me know what you want me to look at for you, because I know it's super late over there and I appreciate you coming to the streams all the time. So I got you. Let me know what you want me to look at for you before you head out and go to sleep. DGen. Oh, DZ. What's up, DZ? How are you? Long time no see. You know, it's been a couple days. Damn, dude. Hey, DGen is a good coin, man. I'm telling you, just because of the name and because it got listed on Coinbase, it's a good coin. It's a no-brainer in my opinion. I wish when I had said that earlier, if I had bought, because you remember we started looking at it at 207, 206, and I was like, ooh, like if this goes down, like I'm gonna buy some. And of course, you know how it always works. I never ended up buying it because it just went to 3 cents. But DGen is a good coin. Yeah, so taking a look at DGen. Oh wait, I'm not gonna look at it on here. I'm gonna look at it on Bybit. That's like the full graph, right? Yeah, so DGen's very bullish right now. It's like, yeah, it's way bullish because it's over 207, which remember we were at, and I was like, ooh, like if it goes to 204, I'll buy, and it never did. Yeah, so as of right now, 3 cents one is in play, and then you're looking at 6.5 cents, and you're looking at 53 cents. In terms of area that it absolutely needs to hold, I would say the 236382. So I'd say it absolutely needs to stay over 13. Otherwise, this would mark the local top, and we are probably going to come back down to the lows. And yeah, that's pretty much it for DGen. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Dude, I watch your streams all the time. What's your name? Ooh, sorry, man. I don't give my name out online. That's one thing I'm not going to do because I don't want to die, you know? I don't want somebody to come over here and steal my cats and hold my cats as ransom. But yeah, I'm not going to give my name on online, you know? I don't think that's smart, so. But I do appreciate you, and I hope that made sense for DGen, and I really hope we make it. And yeah. It does. Well, see, the thing is that DZ, if it does this, then yeah, I'd say yes. Then you're gonna get that double top, and then you're gonna get off that blow, and then you're gonna get the blow off top, and then you're gonna be maintaining this like huge uptrend that's forming, right? So I'd say that we have to wait until it comes back up and retests 3, because if it doesn't, then it's gonna be forming a downtrend, kind of like what it did here before we blasted out, right? So that's what I think. Do you think Pepe will fall down further? Probably, but I mean, look, like Pepe just got listed on Coinbase, Robinhood, and like I don't know, man. That's a very good question. I don't think that I think that it's probably gonna have its final run, and then the bear market's gonna start. I don't think that this was the top. If this was a top, that would be extremely unfortunate. But I think that Pepe, you know, again, it just got listed on Coinbase. It just got listed on Binance. Sorry, it got listed on Coinbase. It got listed on Robinhood. So there's a lot of good news coming out for Pepe. And I saw it here. Me and my friend saw it here. We would have been done. If we had bought it here, we would have been done. Like, that's literally like 23x. That's like, we would have been done if we had bought it here. But unfortunately, and I'm not sad about it, but I bought Dojo on Mars, and I guess Dojo on Mars has higher potential because it's not listed on anywhere. But I am also gambling on the fact that they are going to build it out. So I do believe in it. Rayhan, Gods Unchained. You got it. Taking a look at Gods Unchained. So it looks like it's trying to be bullish. However, it's not right now. Also, keep in mind they did release coins. You could clearly see the market cap here, 86 million relative to where it was before. The price is $3 and the price now is 25 cents. So just be careful with that. Again, you know, it has 500 million total supply, so it's not too crazy. It's an $86 million market cap, but it is still good to note that. So just be careful with that. From the high to the low for Gods Unchained, nothing's bullish with Gods Unchained until we break 26-27 cents. Once that breaks, then we can say that it's not bearish anymore, because as of right now, as long as it's under the 236, it is bearish. Once we break 52 cents, which it looks like we've came and tried to tag multiple times, I'd say the bull run for Gods Unchained, and we're going to the moon. From 52 cents to 90 cents, a little to no resistance, 155, 338, $9, and so on. But keep in mind, it is going to be a lot harder to get your prices back up to the previous all-time high, because they did dilute the market. There are more coins in circulation, which is inflationary, which takes more volume and more buys to take the price back up to those highs. I'm not saying it's impossible. I just think that you should probably take that into consideration, given that you are probably going to be selling on the way up. That's it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Yeah, DGen going to be good. They have NFT. NFTs are coming back. Yeah, the NFT coins haven't even ran yet. So yeah, I believe that. Just wait until NFT. You remember like back in the last bull run when NFTs were like the next big thing? I mean, even Jake Paul or Logan Paul bought like the NFT. Or no, Justin Bieber bought the NFT that was like $1 million. He bought it for like 5 million and now it's worth like 80,000. So it's just a matter of time before it, like that cycles back in and the NFT coins start going up. So I agree with you. I'm stuck with GMT for so long. Let's take a look at GMT for you. Yeah, same with this coin, GMT. It seems like they did release coins into the circulation. So just keep in mind that is also something to take into consideration for your risk in sell targets. So from the high to the low, GMT is actually no longer bearish because it is over 21 cents. So as of right now for GMT, very simple. As long as it stays over 21 cents, you're looking at 37 cents in play. Once that breaks, and I'd say bull run, we're going to the moon. Little to no resistance, 59 cents, 94 cents, and so on. Clearly, you can see the last few times we've tried to break over it, which actually these aren't even valid because I would have taken my fib from here to here. So yeah, every single time it broke the 236, it got rejected. So just keep that in mind too. That is also possible this time. But as of right now, we don't need to worry about that. And if this is it, then it stays over 21 cents, 37 cents is in play. And that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I hope this thing goes back up to the moon for you, Rayhan, so you no longer have to work until 2 a.m. So you can have your financial freedom. So you can go on vacation, you can have kids, you can do anything you want to do, and you don't have to even worry about money. I hope that happens for you, Rayhan. Rayhan Rana. Oh, April McDaniel, you want LCX. Are you still here? Are you still like listening to my babbling? If you're here, can you say something and I'll look at LCX for you. Could you please look at Maneki? It keeps falling. Hold on, let me look at my coins now because you got me concerned. Yeah, my coins are actually still falling too. Yeah, I mean like the market's not doing good right now. Like we're like red. We're you know, what do you expect though? You know, we went up so high. But I mean, it is what it is. Yeah, I'll take a look at Maneki for you. This thing is the one that has so much liquidity. Does anybody know, like, can anybody actually answer why this thing has so much liquidity? Oh yeah, we're actually bearish. Hold on. Yeah, so it's no longer this thing's no longer macro bullish. Yeah, so we need to actually remove everything. Yeah, so for Maneki, unfortunately, I'd say it needs to stay over. Yeah, it needs to absolutely stay over 2075. Yeah, that's actually the 0.5 too. Otherwise, it would be the 618. because theoretically, arguably speaking, you're still making a higher low if you hold 2062. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We'll save this chart for you for next time because obviously other people also look at Maneki. So I'd say 2062, 2075 absolutely needs to hold. If it doesn't, then Maneki's bearish. And then in terms of the next areas on the way up, I'd say, yeah, so if this is the low, then, 1 cent. I'd say bullish over 1 cent. And that's pretty much it. Not financial advice. I can't really tell you if this is a good buy or not, but I can tell you that this thing looks like it's about to blow up on out of here. So a relatively low market cap. It's on Coinbase. It's on Binance. Very low volume though. This isn't even the full graph. Give me a second. No. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so from the high to the low. Yeah, so this thing looks like 40 cents is in play. It is bearish under 22 cents. So at any point, if we break below 22 cents, it is going to be bearish on the macro time frame. I'd say once we break 40 cents, it's bullish. You're looking at 64 cents, $1.03, $2.02, and so on. So very simple. 2 targets that you need to look at for right now. And nothing's going to happen. And everything that lands between 22 cents and 40 cents. So bearish under 22 cents, bullish over 40 cents. And yeah, that's it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Is this a gamble coin? I guess, if you're buying it now, if you're trying to get back to its all-time high, it's around 18x. So that is going to put the market cap around 1.5 billion, 3 billion. Has it ever been 3 billion? Actually, hold on. I need to look at it here. Yeah, so 20x. Has it ever been? No, it's never been 2 billion. So it doesn't also look like 100 million. Yeah, they did release coins. Because over here, the market, it was $4 and the market cap was 250 million. And if you 4x this and the market cap is 250 million like it was here, the price would be $1.25 relative to where the price was before at $4. So they did release coins. Obviously, they did dilute the market. Not the end of the world, but you should take that into consideration, obviously, when you're looking at targets to sell. Like areas to sell. Did I sell my GMT for degen? GMT is hella slow and boring. Yeah, but it's like Rayhan's probably been in GMT for like so long, so he might kind of like me in OXT. I've been in OXT so long that it's hard to just sell everything, or it's hard to say goodbye. Wow. Let's look at the Bitcoin dominance, and then I'll take a couple of... Yeah, look at this Bitcoin dominance dropping, guys. This is it. Oh my gosh. This is it. Like, literally, guys, we have probably a couple months to get out. Bitcoin dominance is literally taking a dump. So, this is very, very, very good. So, this is it. Yeah, I'll take a couple more coin requests, or yeah, I'm going to probably take 1 or 2 more, and I'm going to call it a night. We've been streaming for about an hour and a half now, so pretty good stream. Not too long. I don't want to, exhaust myself. I do have to move, obviously, with the boxes behind me. But my new setup should be pretty cool. I want to stream on Thursday, so you guys can see the new mic, and hopefully we'll get all that stuff taken care of and situated. And it'll look nice for you guys, I'll have like a spaceship in the background or something. I don't know. We'll see. Dude, OXT is solid. That's what I'm saying. I think it's a very solid coin. I think it's a very good coin. Gurkaran, what's up? Ayo, what the low for BTC on before the bull run is over? What's the low before the bull run's over? Like 39, 40%. Imagine if it comes down to 39, 40%. That would be pretty nice. Gurkron, Bonafida. Oh, Solana name services. Is this the coin you wanted? What's up, Paints Out? Welcome to the end of the live stream. Let me know if you need me to look at a coin for you, and I'll take a look at it for you. In the meantime, let's take a look at Bonafida. Actually, it's not that coin. It's a different coin, but... yeah, taking a look at Solana name services. So from the high to the low, nothing's bullish with FIDA until we break 49 cents. So bearish under 49 cents and then bullish over $1.07. Very, very, very simple. Once $1.07 breaks, I'd say to the moon, you're looking at $2, $3.83, $9.48, and then back up to its all-time high. But as long as we're under 49 cents, it is bearish. And that's really simple. That's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Dizzle Knob for 2. Thank you so much for the 2 beans. I really, really, really appreciate that. Thank you. Big time, please. Oh, this is the one on Coinbase. Yeah, I saw this. I like this, and then I like this. Chronotech. These are the 2 coins I actually looked at Coinbase because of this. It's like a baby. It's like a baby cap, and there's only 710,000. And then Big Time is a different one though. Big Time's a little bit bigger. 226 billion. Million and 5 billion market cap, but it reminded me of the other time too. But anyway, yeah, let's look at Big Time for you. Thank you so much for the super chat and the 2 beans. I really, really, really appreciate that. Yeah, taking a look at Big Time. October 2023. Yeah, that was the right coin. Taking a look at... hold on. There we go. Taking a look at Big Time. So, yeah, we were in a nasty downtrend, and then we actually broke it, came down, and retested it. So, as of right now, Big Time is attempting to be bullish. Clearly, we're over 16 cents. As long as we're over 16 cents, you are looking at bull run. We're looking at 23 cents, 32 cents, little to no resistance, 53 cents, and then $1. And then from there, you're looking at up to $6. So very simple. Keep in mind that back up to its all-time high is around a 500% for easy math. Let's just say it's a 5x. That does put the market cap around like 1.25 billion. And given that, you know, this coin's never been a 1.25 billion market cap. It's actually never been as high as it has, and the price is low, which means that they are releasing coins. So just keep in mind, keep in mind and play your targets conservatively. But yeah, those are the targets on the way up, and we are macro bullish as long as we stay over 16 cents. And that's pretty much it for Big Time. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I hope that made sense. It was Bonafide, now it's Solana meme services. Got it. Hey. No. Stop. He's chewing all the boxes. Here you go. No chewing the boxes. Here, he's going to be taking over the stream. Give me a second. I got to close these boxes. I got it. Wait, what is this? Oh, is that my mouse pad?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. All right. A lot of distractions. Thanks, DZ. I appreciate that. Just a quick TA on Dogelon Mars would be awesome. Yeah, I'm also going to be posting the video afterwards. Oh, damn. Thanks for Kono Time. I like the tokenomics. Yeah. Look at this. Bro, like, this is... I really want to just gamble on this coin, but I also don't want to lose any money. But like, look at how it's like 16 million and 16 million fully diluted, but it only has 710. So that means that this is literally the total supply ever. on this coin. So let's take a look at, what did you want me to look at? Oh, TA on Doge on Mars. Yeah, so for Doge on Mars, full disclosure, a coin that I have and I like. So for Doge on Mars, unfortunately, we are macro bearish because just keep in mind the macro 236 is around 6 euros 23, 6 euros 24. So we are under that, but I'm going to put the area that it absolutely needs to stay over, and a crucial area at 6 euros 17. As long as it stays over 6 euros 17, then you are looking at a continuation up. I'd say once we break that and once we break the 236, we're no longer macro bearish. 6 euros 37 to 6 euros 4 is in play. Once that breaks, I'd say Doge on Mars to Mars, 5 euros 13 previous high, and then you're looking at 4 euros 2, which is my target and where I think it's going to go. And yeah, that's pretty much it for Doge on Mars. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I hope that made sense. Very simple. Does liquidity indicator matter? It depends on what you're trying to do. Like if you're trying to put in a lot of money, then yeah, it does matter. But also you really want to get into coins that have high liquidity, because that way your money won't really influence the price that much. And also it's just good to have locked liquidity. That means that obviously there's a lot of money in it. There's a lot of money in the project. Yeah. Or even 100x DZ. Like, when's the last, like, how high did this go? Like, $400? What is that? Like, yeah, $400 put the market cap at 300 million. Like, you're telling me it can't do another 10x from there? And be like $4,000, dude? Imagine. That would be pretty cool. This is like a, yeah, this is a very interesting coin. It's like an HR coin, right? Yeah, blockchain human resource software solutions. So this is like one of those big brain coins. It's too smart for me. So, yeah, it's also kind of like, it reminds me of Brain Trust. Yeah, so Milady's liquidity is 3.5 million locked liquidity. Hey, Chester. Yeah, so the locked liquidity for ladies is around 3.5 million. Anyway, with that being said, I think that's going to be the end of the live stream. So thank you so much for everybody. Thank you so much for dropping by. I really appreciate all the memberships, all the subscriptions, all the super chats. I greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much. You know, we've been streaming for about an hour and a half now. The next time I'm going to live stream is probably going to be Thursday. So at the new place, all settled in. My gosh, hold on. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Get down. Hey, get down. Hey. Okay, so yeah, so thank you so much for the super chats, subscriptions, and memberships. I really do appreciate it. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and this is all just for entertainment purposes. I'll catch you guys in the next live stream. Have a great night. Happy Monday. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next live stream. Chats, subscriptions.